Those drugs are imported by somebody very powerful. That is the powerful person who is supposed to be conducted, such that if police are lucky today and they got hold of him, and he appears in the court, he's tried within 24 hours, 48 hours, and then he's fined about 100 million plus all that, and he loses all the assets. That way we are safe. Look at the case of Kiambu. These people who came and molested other kids who were in the field, they were powered again by drugs. Whichever the drug it was, who brought and who imported the drug. These are people who are targeted by this amendment. Let's all rally behind our members of parliament, 12 members of 12 the parliament, and the speaker should allow them to do the second and third reading so that His Excellency, the President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, can sign and assent this into law, and such that by the time we are going for this big holiday, we don't lose more kids. I've said and maintained, don't blame the kids. Treat them humanely. Take them to over 235, 250 rehabs which you have in Kenya. But go flat out for the guys who are supplying these drugs. Those big time guys. And that is what that law targets. They can't do it. That's the hardware. That's the hardware, Kenyans. That's the hardware which police require and law enforcement agents require for them to manage this menace. So on this aspect of supply suppression, you need to pin down the people who bring these substances. Previously, the maximum fine you do is 250,000. The law now seeks, among other things, like those top people, to fine them up to 100 million if you are caught with narcotics of a certain quantity.